Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best climbing frames in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 11. Fatmoose Clever Climber Club XXL. If your kids are active and adventurous, the mix of ladders, nets, ropes and climbing wall on the Clever Climber Club XXL climbing frame will keep them busy for hours. The range of acrobatic activities on offer can help children to improve their strength, balance, motor and climbing skills. This solid wood climbing frame doesn't take up too much space, is versatile and can be tweaked to suit your children's needs. For example, you can extend the climbing wall to make it the full height of the frame, or you can use the extra wooden boards to create a basketball ring backboard. For budding gymnasts, there is also a long tumble bar that can be attached at different heights to challenge your kids as they grow. As with the other wooden climbing frames we have featured, the company recommends purchasing 6 anchors to help with assembly and, particularly as this frame is used for acrobatics, 20 soft-safe safety mats to help protect kids if they do fall off. Number 10. TP Active Tots Wooden Climb and Swing Frame. This is one for active tots and babies, doubling up as a swing for little ones aged 6 months and up, and a climbing ladder for toddlers still finding their feet. It's designed for indoor use, though there's nothing stopping you from taking it outside on a warm day and using it to entertain kids on your patio. Just remember to bring it back indoors afterwards. Watch your baby squeal in delight once you put them in the comfortable swing and push them gently to and fro, designed to support them from 6 months onwards. Children up to the age of 3 can use the ladder alongside them too. We love how TP Toys have built this so it doubles up as a baby's swing and a toddler's climbing frame in one. The ladder section is designed to encourage confidence, strength, and stability in small children while enhancing gross motor development. There aren't many climbing frames that accommodate babies as well, so is this a great option if you're looking to up your younger children's playtime. It can be folded away when they're done, and the sandy wood looks great too. Number 9. TP Toys Castlewood Dover Climbing Frame. This climbing frame from TP Toys is a fun addition for the kids, but is far from an eyesore. The sanded wood and elegant tower design would look great in your back garden, plus the kids are sure to have fun with it too. Any children ages 3 and above can play on this climbing frame, and its different features mean it can be used by beginners, intermediate and experienced users. The fireman's pole is great fun for older kids, while younger ones can enjoy the slide and ladder. The multifaceted structure is what sold us on this one. As mentioned, there are different aspects for children to play on, and the design imitates a castle turret which can really spark kids' imagination when they're using it. Plus, the roof can act as a great shelter for them if it starts raining. Number 8. Momwa Climbing Frame. The Momwa climbing frame is great for both indoor and outdoor use, just be sure to bring it back inside if you are using it in the garden, it won't last long if it rains. Suitable for children from 3 years old to bigger kids, this climbing frame is adjustable in height, the spacing of the ladder's arms can be moved to be as tall or low as your child prefers. This means that this climbing frame can grow with your little one, perfect. This climbing frame gets 5 stars from us design-wise. Use it on its own or along with other Momwa climbing frames, as they link together almost like Lego bricks. Also, the slide that comes with it doubles as a ladder to make it multifunctional. It's made from plain wood that has been sanded with no sharp corners to make it safe for play, while this means it could also be painted to match your decor. Eco-friendly, too, as well as non-toxic. Number 7. Dunster House Monkey Fort Woodland Climbing Frame with Wave Slide. Another great buy if you have slightly older kids, this climbing frame offers multiple activities in one package. Suitable for children aged 3 and upwards, this is a climbing frame that offers plenty of challenging activities that kids will love to try as they grow up. Designed for up to 5 children to be using it at the same time. With this climbing frame you get a tower with a roof over the top that kids will love to turn into a den, 2 comfy swings, monkey bars and an extra thick wavy slide. It's made from pressure-treated timber and there's a 10-year guarantee on the timber against rot and insect infestation. Number 6. Wiki Climbing Frame Multiplier for kids who are more confident when it comes to climbing. We love this monkey bar climbing frame from Dunster House. Kids can swing from bar to bar, and you can even attach a trapeze swing and rope ladder for more play opportunities. Though keep in mind the bars are at a significant height, so you may want to place a safety mat underneath to cushion any potential falls. It is recommended that you place the play system on a level surface at least 2 m from any structure or obstruction, such as a fence, garage, house, overhanging branches, or electrical wires. So it is worth measuring your available space to check that this won't completely dominate your garden. The Wiki Climbing Frame Multiplier is large but very fun. Made from pressure-treated solid wood, this high-quality climbing frame is great for larger gardens or those with several children. Or, if you're often the parent who has everyone's children round to play. Suitable for children aged 3 and over, adult supervision is required when children are using this intricate climbing frame. Large yet super fun, this climbing frame comes complete with everything from 2 swings to a slide that measures 220 centimeters in length, as well as climbing stones and swinging hooks. It even has a sandpit built in, and it comes with a racing steering wheel as well as a telescope. Number 5. Lifetime Unisex Youth Dome Climber Jungle GYM. The Lifetime Dome Climber is a great pick if you are on a budget. Or, if you want something easy to build and simple to maintain. Suitable for kids aged between 3 and 10, this dome climber can hold up several children at any one time. This high-quality climbing frame is made from heavy-duty powder-coated steel that's UV-resistant, so it can be left outside no matter the weather. Easy to set up and very colorful, this climbing frame will help kids to improve their limb strength, balance and agility. Number 4. Fatmus Wooden Climbing Frame. By the Fatmus Wooden Climbing Frame. If you have several children to keep busy, or if your children often have friends back after school or over to play during the holidays. Not suitable for children under the age of 3, this design is perfect for kids looking for a more challenging climbing frame experience. This climbing frame is huge, with everything from a long slide to monkey bars, a climbing rope, a climbing wall and much more. In fact, its slide even doubles as a water slide with a handy hose connection. It's made from high-press impregnated solid timber and is supported by 7 cm x 7 cm beams for safety purposes. It's also easy to care for, and it comes with comprehensive assembly instructions to make this process easy. It also comes with a 10-year guarantee. Number 3. Little Tikes Jungle Climber. Choose the Little Tikes Jungle Climber if you are trying to entertain an adventurous toddler. This climbing frame has a jungle-themed design that toddlers will love and is suitable for children aged 3 and above. We think children would soon grow out of this design, however, and may want something bigger and more exciting after a couple of years. It takes 120 minutes to build and requires 2 people for the assembly. It's made from plastic and is completely weatherproof for year-round use. It has everything from a slide to rope climbing, a secret tunnel, high steps, and more. The best part? It's small in size, so will be slightly less obtrusive in your garden than our other picks. Winning. Number 2. TP Toys Children's Explorer Metal Climbing Frame Set Amp. Slide. The TP Toys Children's Explorer Metal Climbing Frame Set with Slide Amp Jungle Run is brilliant. It can be used by your little one from when they are 18 months to 12 years old, and the frame is easily changeable depending on your child's height. It takes just 2 hours to assemble if 2 adults are tackling the job. It's made from galvanized steel for durability purposes. The den at the top features a window and roll-up doors, while it's designed to keep nuts and bolts out of their sight. It has a 2.5 m long slide coming off it, as well. Number 1. Plum Climbing Pyramid Wooden Play Center. The Plum Climbing Pyramid Wooden Play Center is our pick of the best climbing frame you can buy. Suitable for children who are aged 3 to 12. It features everything from an 8-foot wave slide to a rock climbing wall, a secret play area, a ladder, a rope climber and a large double play deck. It's made from premium FSC certified timber, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. They'll have hours of fun using it. The best part? It's compact so as not to take up too much precious garden space. Made from premium FSC certified timber, this climbing frame works brilliantly all year round, with closed areas for colder months and an ability to turn it into a waterslide in the summer thanks to a hosepipe attachment. As well as the size dimensions, you'll need to allow for a 1.8 m play perimeter around the climbing pyramid. At the top of the climbing pyramid is a large split-level platform play deck. We can already see kids standing at the top and shouting, "I'm the king of the castle."